Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. Every Tuesday I have a class that starts at 8 o'clock in the morning, and at this time of year, I'm making this video in October. It's still quite dark outside and often quite cold, quite wet, quite miserable. So it can be a real struggle to rouse myself and get myself ready to teach at this grim hour. However, basically, if you're self-employed and you run your own company, then early starts are often part and parcel of the job. As I said to my students this morning when I had this 8 o'clock start, it's just the nature of the beast. If you say that something is the nature of the beast, you basically mean it's an essential part of the thing that you're talking about. So, for example, if you've ever worked with any negotiators, I remember once a Japanese student who was a Siemens union negotiator telling me that negotiations always get much tougher nearer the end. It's just the nature of the beast. My son, who's 12, is learning to play the guitar at the moment, and he'll sometimes complain that his fingertips hurt from where he's been practicing. And I just shrug my shoulders and tell him, hey, you're going to have to get used to it if you want to get better on the guitar, because that's just the nature of the beast. And, as many of you will know, if you own a car, it involves a lot of expense. That's just the nature of the beast. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use the nature of the beast.